Connect with the birds, connect with the raccoons, the animals out in nature. They bring life force energy and messages from the divine. They are the angels of the universe, bringing you forth divine love, divine blessings, and divine abundance. Listen to the songs of the birds, whispering their sweet melodies to allow you to heal and release all the burdens out into the universe. Oh, divine, we love you. We thank you. We praise your majestic name. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your peace, love, and eternal healing.